8 insanely tasty ways to lose weight with mashed peas. Stop thinking of green peas as some boring, mushy vegetable that you had to eat as a kid, and start thinking of them as your new secret to weight loss. These little green veggies are like mini slimming pills. They're filled with fiber, phytonutrients, and this great calorie-free carb known as resistant starch, which your body can't digest but which gives them a starchy taste that makes them perfect for beefing up traditional carb bomb dishes. Here, we scoured the blogosphere to find recipes that used mashed peas to boost your resistant starch intake while lowering calorie and carb count. Pea, mint, and feta fritters, recipe from Grandma in the Kitchen. Consider these grown-up potato pancakes, but without all the starchy potatoes. Instead, this crafty blogger uses resistant starch peas, so you can watch, or savor, as the calories melt away. Little bits of feta and mint up the flavor factor, while a cooling yogurt sauce makes for way better dipping than sugary ketchup or sour cream. Pea and mint pesto. Peas and mint go together like peanut butter and jelly. Mashing them into a tasty paste to spread on homemade, gluten-free flatbread makes better sense than some rich fattening cheese sauce. With a sprinkle of toasted pine nuts and parmesan, you're off to a delicious, veggie-filled snack. Recipe from Ramblin' Rose. We know what you're thinking, peas? On toast? But stop freaking out for a second and try it. It just might become your new go-to toast spread. And it definitely beats butter, Nutella, or sugary jelly, that's for sure. Pea hummus. We know, hummus is already pretty healthy. So what could peas possibly add to the mix? Lots of fun flavor with some no-cal resistant starch, that's what. Mix sweet peas into a typical hummus blend and you've got a sweet and salty mix everyone loves. Fat-free green pea dip. Dip is a summertime staple. What else are you going to bring to potlucks? But most recipes call for lots of cream or lots of cheese, not exactly healthy. This recipe cuts out the dairy so you can dip your veggies in. More veggies. Vegan green pea cookies. Recipe from KitFit. Yep, you can even put peas into cookies. With their slight sweetness and creamy texture, they fit right in on the dessert table while adding a pop of resistant starch and fiber to keep you feeling full longer. Sweet potato wedges with mint mushy peas. Recipe from The Green Goddess Life. Don't let the word mushy send you running. This British staple is actually super tasty and doubles as another better-for-you dip. You don't have to serve sweet potato wedges with it, but why wouldn't you? Recipe from The Little Things. Most pasta isn't known for being healthy, but when you swap out regular rice for protein and fiber-rich barley and then top it with a mashed pea sauce instead of the usual cream, you've got a pasta dish that your waistline will love.